Thank you very much, champion, for joining with us, and it's pleasure meeting you after 3 year gap.
Same here.
So I will not be using your name, but at least two to three. Thank you for accepting this request to interacting with me.
My pleasure, sir.
So, champion, how life look like different now compared to the March, February 2023 to now August 2026. So, what do you see difference from the beginning days and nowadays after 3.5 year?
So earlier मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा time, it was invested in the doubts that I had. मेरे कुछ मन में सवाल थे and which I came to you about. So उससे लेकर अभी तक अब तो मुझे वो thoughts आते भी नहीं हैं and my life is so much better. मतलब I'm doing well in my profession और मैं खुश भी हूँ, बहुत अच्छा महसूस करता हूँ and I have a very disciplined lifestyle. मुझे मज़ा आता है मतलब ज़िंदगी में.
So for viewers, can you share one or two aspects that used to bother you?
So one of the aspects जो मुझे मतलब डाउट मन में आता था वो था कि जो हमारा टाइम है, जो पास्ट है, वो कहाँ जा रहा है. मैंने बिता दिया इतना समय, मेरे बचपन कहाँ गया ये, तो ये एक डाउट होता था. एंड वन ऑफ द अदर डाउट वाज हु एम आई, मतलब कि मैं हूँ तो मैं हूँ कौन. सो इन क्वेश्चंस में एंड ऑल्सो कि जो लाइफ है कैसे शुरू हुई, कहाँ से शुरू हुई, तो ये डाउट्स कुछ आते थे. एंड उन पे मैं कंसिडरेबल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम जो मेरा दिन का था, it was invested in all these questions.
Correct. So you are the one and only person in my 27 year of career whom I offer only 2 month program in a daily session model. So I can visualize what I evaluate that time. But what did you learn in this short span? And you make a one record. Let's say last record was a 13 days recovery, and you break a record after I guess 3 year later with recovering in 12 days. Now your record is also broken with the 8 session by one of girl from Aligarh.
Yeah.
So she also recovered in a simply 8 session, nothing more than that. But she completed her journey of 3 months like you. You also completed your recovery in 12 days. Then you remain in system working on the emotional health aspect till the 2 months. So what worked for you? According to you, what was that helpful for you in overcoming?
So I think जो एक चीज़ मुझे रजिस्टर हुई ना, विच आप बार बार मुझे बताते थे कि अपना काम है कि हम लाइफ जिएं. एंड हमारा एक काम नहीं है कि हम सोचें कि लाइफ कहाँ से आई, हम कौन है. हमारा भगवान ने हमें लाइफ दी, हमें अपना आना है, आराम से जीना और इन क्वेश्चन में फंसना नहीं है. तो जब ये मुझे रजिस्टर हो गया कि एक बार की इन चीज़ों में फंसना नहीं है, ये थॉट्स फिर मुझे बॉदर करना धीरे धीरे करके कम हो गए. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज वन वेरी गुड लेसन फॉर मी कि मेरा जो पर्सपेक्टिव है वो बहुत क्लियर हो गया, मेरे दिमाग में क्लैरिटी आ गई. वंस दिमाग में आपके थ्रू क्लैरिटी मुझे सेशंस के थ्रू मिली एंड देन वी वर्कड ऑन हमारा इमोशनल रेगुलेशन और एक डिसिप्लिन लाइफस्टाइल जो आप मुझे इंकरेज करते थे रखने के लिए. आई थिंक
No, I encourage after hearing from you कि what you do throughout your day. I remember about your lifestyle.
हाँ.
So I morning to night you have always structured schedule, even having some aspect of trouble, but you never compromise on your badminton, diet, rest, study, meeting to the friend also. Everything was 10 on 10. So I always give your reference. If you want to overcome this subject, you need to work on your lifestyle, and what lifestyle is not a one day business, it's an ongoing process throughout the lifespan. So champion, I need a message from you because I daily attend some 10-15 new caller, 2-3 people come for consultation, and out of 100 at least 99% people have that one simple perspective about this issue, that this will never go away. For manage, we can manage only this, complete recovery is not possible. Like you, there are thousands of people in my life. Each month at least 3 to 4 people witness, and I keep tracking them whether they get relapse or not. And you are one of the person. Even I try to reach out to you very less 3-4 times because I was confident on you. So I believe personally, not as a practitioner, because I cannot serve 24 crore people around the world. Even I cannot serve to the Indian population 2.8 crore. I can maximum handle 20 to 30 maximum. That is also with my team. So what is your message as a person who have left this subject around 3.5 years now, never relapsed, enjoying working, living a life? What do you wish to convey the message to those who are suffering with the subject, getting unnecessary trouble? I remember you also used to take medicine. I remember you left within the first 2 weeks, and from that moment you never go back to that direction. But people remain dependent on, let's say, 4 day before one person came for consultation, and right now he's our client. Yesterday, 2 day before he joined the program. So this gentleman is from Delhi. He's a 73, and he has a suffering with OCD from the age of 21. Now 21 to 73, living in Delhi, close to the AIIMS Delhi, taking medicine and number of psychologists, and person is still struggling with this 52-year. Now he come on board for OCD recovery program. I believe what I have offered 5-6 months, that will be enough for overcoming the subject. I want some guidance from you based on your experience, your way of thinking, your own philosophy of life. How those who are suffering in silence, what they should keep in mind to overcome this issue. Your personal opinion.
No, I believe sir it is 100% recoverable from. ऐसा नहीं है कि if you're diagnosed कि आपको एक death sentence दे दिया, it's not that way. आप अगर सही हाथों में हैं, you're with this सही psychologist, आपको you'll get the perspective of your life आपको मिलेगा, and you can come out of it. So it is not कि बिल्कुल एक डायग्नोस हो गया तो आपकी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो गई. You can look at me और मैं आज अच्छी ज़िंदगी जी रहा हूँ, and I'm very proud of myself to be able to come out of this, and very thankful to you कि आपकी मदद से I have come out of this.
So from my side, what I can copy from you that was already inbuilt. So first I saw the committed effort that you had, always used to come on time, always used to pay. That is the one side of story, pay fees. Then being organized, being humble, and above all listening. Try not to counter the explanation that I am giving on your subject. Listening, trying to understand. So that trying to understand happen when we trust on someone. So you have shown that trusting on me, and this is what at most required for the recovery. So when somebody is trying to make you taking to the path of recovery, that time we need to listen. And those who are listening, they absolutely get recovered within timeline. So thank you very much, champion. I will not be using your name. So it has been pleasure to meet you after 3.5 year again.
Same,
Just simple and a message, and you come forward. All the best. Enjoy and keep smiling, shining. Thank you.